The weather in Calgary is about to take a turn towards the colder side, with a frosty weekend on the horizon. Friday will kick off with cold temperatures and gusty winds, setting the stage for a chilly few days ahead. While the skies are expected to be mostly clear and sunny for Friday, the winds will remain strong, making it feel even colder. These gusty winds will persist through the day, blowing at speeds ranging from 15 to 25 kilometers, giving us that familiar brisk winter chill. Temperatures will hover near freezing, and as the day progresses, the cold front will begin to settle in. By the time Friday night rolls around, we'll see temperatures quickly plummet as the northwest winds bring in a sharp drop in temperatures. Overnight lows are expected to dip into the single digits by Saturday morning, which will make it feel even colder with the wind chill factor. As the weekend continues, the cold will intensify, leaving many people reaching for their warmest winter gear. On Sunday morning, expect temperatures to dive even further, reaching the teens below zero, with most areas experiencing sub-zero highs throughout the day. The bone-chilling cold will linger as the weekend wraps up, and the first part of next week will also feel like a deep freeze. If you're heading out, be prepared for biting winds and temperatures that make it feel much colder than it actually is. Adding to the winter mix, snow is expected to move into the region by Sunday evening. This snow system will likely last through the night, tapering off by Monday morning. While the snow won't accumulate in large amounts, it could still create some slick road conditions, especially during the overnight hours when the temperatures are at their lowest. As the cold front settles in and the winds continue, the overall weather will be quite unsettled. By the time we reach Tuesday, the wind chills could make it feel like it's 15 to 20 degrees below zero, with the coldest days expected to be Wednesday and Thursday. Overall, if you're planning to be outside this weekend in Calgary, make sure you're dressed for the weather, layer up, cover your extremities, and stay warm as the winter chill makes its presence known across the city. The week ahead promises a reminder of winter's icy grip, with some pretty extreme temperatures on the way. Stay prepared and stay safe. Stay subscribed for more videos.